Welcome to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into how to enhance your WordPress site by customizing your footer. We'll cover two main topics: editing the footer using the WordPress theme customizer and adding widgets to your footer. Let's get started. 1. Editing the footer using the WordPress theme customizer. The WordPress theme customizer is a built-in tool that lets you modify your site's appearance, including the footer. It's a user-friendly and secure way to make changes. Here's what you can edit. Footer text. Add your contact information, social media links, or copyright notice. Footer menu. Include links to important pages like your homepage, blog, and contact page. Footer widgets. Insert widgets like a search bar, social media links, or recent posts. We'll be using the Astra theme for this example, but the process is similar across most themes. Steps: 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Access your admin panel by logging in with your credentials. 2. Go to the customizer, navigate to appearance. Customize from the dashboard menu. 3. Access footer settings. In the customization menu, look for sections related to footer customization. Common names include footer layout, footer builder, or footer settings. 4. Edit footer content. For Astra theme users, go to the footer builder section. Here you can modify text and add social media links. Click on the copyright button to update the footer text. Enter your desired message and make any additional changes. 5. Modify footer text and style. Update the text as needed. Explore additional styling options like borders and background colors. 6. Publish changes. Click Publishes to save your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your footer using the theme customizer. Feel free to revisit and make further adjustments as needed. 2. Adding widgets to your WordPress footer. Widgets are versatile content blocks that can be added to various areas of your WordPress site, including the footer. Let's walk through how to add them. Steps: 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Begin by logging into your site's admin dashboard. 2. Go to Widgets. From the dashboard menu, go to Appearance and select Widgets. 3. Select a footer section on the widgets page. You'll see different sections for the footer, like Footer Bar Section 1 or Footer Widget Area 1. Click on the section you wish to edit. 4. Add widgets to the footer section. Drag and drop widgets from the left side into your selected footer area. Here are a couple of examples. Custom HTML widget. Use this to insert custom code or scripts. Enter your code and click Save. Text widget. Add and format text or embed media. After entering your text, click Save. 5. Review your changes. After saving, check your site's footer to ensure everything appears as intended. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide on editing and customizing your WordPress footer helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials from Truehost Academy. Thanks for watching.